Police vehicle name sounds. Police patrol car. Police patrol car. This is the most common vehicle used by police to respond quickly, patrol streets, and keep traffic in order. Have you ever seen one in action? Police helicopter. Police helicopter. Flying high above the city, the police helicopter helps track suspects and assist in search and rescue. Would you like to ride in one? Police Riot van. Police Riot van. This armored van transports riot control officers and equipment during protests or public disturbances. When do you think this vehicle is most needed? Police tow truck. Police tow truck. Used to remove illegally parked or broken down vehicles, helping clear roads quickly. Have you ever seen a car being towed? Police utility vehicle. Police utility vehicle. A versatile police vehicle that handles many types of terrain and duties. Would you prefer this all-purpose vehicle or something more specialized? Police unmarked car. Police unmarked car. Disguised without official markings, this car is used for undercover operations and surveillance. Do you think you could spot one on the street? Police Snowmobile. Police Snowmobile. Perfect for snowy areas, this vehicle helps police patrol in freezing conditions. Would you want to try snow patrolling like the police? Police Segway. Police Segway. Small and agile, Segways help officers patrol malls and public areas with ease. Do you think this tiny vehicle is actually effective? Police pickup truck. Police pickup truck. With a rear bed for carrying gear, it's ideal for rough terrains or rural patrols. If you were a police officer, would you choose this truck? Police dog. Police dog. Trained dogs help track suspects, sniff out drugs, and assist in arrests. Do you admire these brave and intelligent canine partners?
How long do you want them on for?
Police motorcycle. Police motorcycle. Fast and flexible, motorcycles help officers navigate tight urban areas quickly. Do you think motorbikes are the most useful in traffic-heavy cities? Mounted police. Mounted police. Officers on horseback have a better view and control during large events or patrols in parks. Have you ever taken a photo with a police horse? Police bomb robot.
The bomb robot is about a 400-pound piece of
Police
machinery.
bomb robot. This robot is used to handle explosives from a safe distance, protecting human lives. Do you think technology is making police work safer?
And the robot could pick up nominally with dirt and it's able to fire to
Police armored vehicle. Police armored vehicle. Bulletproof and heavily protected, this vehicle is used in high-risk missions. Do you know which countries use armored police vehicles the most? Police water cannon truck. Police water cannon truck. Equipped with powerful water jets, this truck helps disperse crowds during riots. Do you think this is a safe and effective solution? Police bus. Police bus. This large vehicle transports multiple officers or detainees during operations. Can you guess how many people it can carry? Highway patrol car. Highway patrol car. Fast and efficient, it ensures safety on highways and stops reckless drivers. Where was the last place you saw a highway patrol car? SWAT vehicle. SWAT vehicle. Specially built for SWAT teams, this vehicle helps during hostage rescues or raids. Have you ever seen this type of vehicle in a movie? Prisoner transport truck. Prisoner transport truck. Securely designed to carry detainees between locations. Do you think this truck is used more in cities or rural areas? Police bicycle.
There you go.
Police bicycle. Eco-friendly and perfect for parks or pedestrian zones, it allows quiet and efficient patrolling. Have you ever spotted a bike cop in your neighborhood? Police Mobile Command Center. Police Mobile Command Center, a high-tech command post on wheels used to coordinate police efforts at a scene. Would you like to see what's inside this mobile HQ? Police boat. Police boat. Used to patrol rivers, lakes, and coastlines, it helps with rescues and stopping water-based crimes. Do you think river patrol is more challenging than land? Do you like this video? Share your thoughts in the comments.